In this lesson, we will learn how to make an interactive scratch in which one sprite moves and the other one reacts upon contact. Let's take a look at the example. The instructions say, press the flag to begin. Use the arrow keys to move the zombie towards the boy. So I press the green flag and I use the left and up arrow keys to make the zombie move towards where the boy is standing. Once the zombie comes in contact with the boy runs away and screams, "Ah!" What are the main elements in this scratch? Well, first we have the backdrop, which is the hayfield. Then we have two sprites, the zombie and the boy. We have movement on both of their parts, and the boy screams and says, "Ah!" So let's try to recreate this zombie farm example. I go up to the top and I click on Create. The first thing that I do when I'm in a new project is put a title. So I select at the top where it says Unentitled, I delete the text and I'll put the name Zombie Farm. Now I notice that my backdrop is white. I want to have the hayfield backdrop. So I will go to the bottom left and I will select a backdrop from the library. I'll look for the hayfield, select it, and click OK. Now I need my boy and zombie sprites. I don't need the cat, so I will right-click on the cat sprite and delete him. Then I will go to the library to choose a new sprite. Here there are many options, but the first one I see is the boy, so I'll select him and I'll click OK. Now, there is no zombie sprite from the library, so I will need to upload a zombie from my own file. So I will go to where it says Upload Sprite from File and click. Then I find my file, select it, and click OK. Now I have both of my sprites, but they are both really, really big, so I'm going to want to shrink them. I go up to the top and I click on the shrink button, which is the four arrows pointing towards the middle, and then I click on top of my sprite to make him smaller. I'll do the same thing with the boy. Click on top of him and make him smaller. Now, I notice that my zombie sprite has the same color shirt as the hayfield, so I can hardly see him. So I'll click on my zombie sprite, I'll go to the Costumes tab, and I'll change the color of his shirt. I will select the paint bucket, pick the color, and click inside his shirt to change the color. That looks great. So now I will go back to my sprites and drag them into their starting positions. The zombie started in the lower right-hand corner, whereas the boy started in the left-hand side in the hayfield.